Celebrities such as Angelina Jolie have recently brought attention to genetic risks of cancer, and local medical professionals are reminding northern Arizona residents that you don't have to travel to the Phoenix area to get genetic testing. Medical oncologist Dr. Deborah Lindquist, who has been practicing in Sedona and the Verde Valley for more than 20 years, says knowing your family's medical history, especially whether close relatives have developed breast cancer before the age of 35 or have developed any ovarian cancer, is the key to knowing how early you should be tested.
When we have a patient who's young and has breast cancer, and she has, perhaps her mother had it, and her aunt had it, or her sister had it, those people we want to be sure to test for these genetic mutations. And those mutations are called the BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations. And with BRCA1, it leads to increased risk of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and prostate cancer. And BRCA2, increased risk of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, prostate cancer, male breast cancer, and pancreatic cancer.
Dr. Lindquist says that women with a family history of BRCA mutations should see a genetic risk assessment expert as soon as possible.
And so patients can come in if they have that family history and talk with her, and she can send the tests out. So there's a lot of important information that Angelina Jolie has brought forward about the BRCA1 and BRCA2. And the BRCA1, these women have as high as 85% risk of breast cancer in their lifetime. Second breast cancer is 65%, and ovarian cancer up to 50 or 60%.
The genetic risk assessment also tests for Lynch syndrome, which leads to a high risk for various cancers, and it can be done via a blood test or cheek scraping, with results coming back in about 2 weeks. Doctors can then consult with the patient about what options they have for preventative measures such as a mastectomy to keep from developing cancer. For more information, you can contact Dr. Lindquist's office at the Verde Valley Medical Center's Sedona campus at 928-204-4163 or visit ArizonaOncology.com for information about other locations across northern Arizona.